This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Serge Buaquin. 2-half split floor plan, wood floor, foyer, living room, modern European open kitchen with stainless steel appliances, center island, quartz counter, upgraded washer/dryer. Plenty of natural lighting, large wrap-around balcony with downtown city view, 1 assigned parking, 2nd parking available for sale, valet parking available, many amenities including 2 heated pool, spa, sauna and steam room, state-of-the-art fitness center, yoga and spin room, 2 lounge community room, media room, step-away Miami Arts Center, downtown, Wynwood, Design District, Publix close by, 20 minutes from Miami Beach. Exiting outdoor at your steps, Margaret Pace Park with basketball, dog court, tennis courts. For more information, review the details below or contact Serge Buaquin at 305-984-6877.